If there's one envy-inducing feature in every posh hotel bathroom, it's those glorious rain shower heads. Nothing says I'm on vacation and life is good like standing under one. Rain shower heads feature a drenching, rain-like spray for total body coverage and a refreshing feeling. But you don't need to go to a posh hotel bathroom to get one of these shower heads. You can now get one installed in your very own home. These shower heads are often engineered to deliver multiple settings from drenching rainstorm to water-saving trickle. Plus, there's a study that says the average person spends at least 60 hours in the shower per year. So what better way to enjoy your showers than having one of these rain shower heads? To help you pick the right one for your bathroom, we've compiled a list of the 5 best rain shower heads on the market. So let's begin. Taking our first spot is the Modern One-Spray 8-inch square Raincan fixed shower head from Glacier Bay. This shower head is designed with a plated spray face that gives it a more modern look and a feel that adds a touch of contemporary style in your bathroom. It's designed to complement any bathroom decor, making it a perfect addition. If you love the feeling of standing under the pouring rain, then this is a perfect shower head for you. It boasts a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute, certified by WaterSense. This item will surely provide a relaxing shower experience every single time. The shower head is equipped with rub-clean nozzles that help in inhibiting mineral buildup, making it easier to clean. Just wipe it and you're done. The square Raincan fixed shower head measures approximately 16 by 3 by 11 inches. The shower head's face has a diameter of 8 inches and uses half-inch size connections. It comes in 5 colors: chrome, bronze, brushed nickel, matte black, and matte gold, so you can match it to any decor you currently have. You can also purchase other pieces from Glacier Bay for a more coordinated look that will provide enjoyment for years. This item is easy to install and is wall mounted. It's IAPMO certified, so you can rest assured it's gone through rigorous testing and research to ensure safety. The square Raincan fixed shower head also comes with a lifetime limited warranty to ensure you'll be taken care of if the need arises. At number 2 is the One-Spray 12-inch fixed shower head with LED Rainfall from DreamSpa. This versatile shower head features LED lights that do not require any batteries at all. Just turn the shower on and enjoy. This rain shower head from DreamSpa not only gives the effect of pouring rain, but also provides lighting as you shower. It's equipped with LED lights that change color whenever the water's temperature changes. When the water temperature is below 95 degrees, the color changes to blue. When it's warm between 95 and 109 degrees, it becomes green. It goes to red when the water temperature is 109 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. A flashing red will come up as a warning when the water temperature exceeds 122 degrees. It features a traditional chrome finish that will enhance any bathroom style, giving it a sophisticated touch. It has a sleek 12-inch curved fan that's designed to provide the perfect shoulder-to-shoulder flow coverage, and it can be adjusted at an angle that's more convenient for you. It comes in a rectangular shape that can provide a flow rate of up to 2.5 gallons per minute, which allows you to enjoy your own rainfall. The One-Spray 12-inch fixed shower head with LED Rainfall will never be difficult to clean. It's enhanced with 123 rub cleaning jets that make quick and hassle-free work. It's pretty easy to install and does not require any tools upon installation, as it easily connects to any standard overhead shower arm. To top it off, this shower head comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Well, you've seen the first 2 items on our list, but stay tuned because we still have 3 more to go. If you're new to our community, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Now back to our list. At number 3 is the Four-Spray 9-inch Rainfall Jet Hand Shower and Shower Head Combo Kit with 185 nozzles from AKDY. This item comes with a shower head and wand combo designed to provide a more enjoyable and soothing shower. You'll look forward to using it every time. This shower head and wand combo comes in 5 colors: chrome, gold, titanium silver, antique bronze, and oil-rubbed bronze. It's designed to look good in any bathroom setting and makes a perfect addition. It's also made with high-quality ABS construction to ensure durability and to withstand the test of time. Enhanced with 124 shower nozzles on the head and 61 on the wand, every shower will be truly an enjoyable experience. The handheld wand is further enhanced with 4 spray settings that range from a gentle mist to a powerful massage. It can easily be changed through the center dial. It boasts a flow rate that can reach up to 1.8 gallons per minute on both the shower head and the wand, and it is further equipped with a self-cleaning design that uses rubber nozzles to prevent any hard water buildup. The Rainfall Jet Hand Shower and Shower Head Combo Kit can easily be mounted on a wall. It doesn't require a lot of time or effort to install. Just follow the instructions on the manual and you'll be good to go in no time. It uses a standard 1/2-inch sizing and is covered by the AKDY 1-year limited parts warranty. Coming in at number 4 is the Kawai 3 3-spray hand shower and shower head combo kit from Plus Shower Spas. Plus Shower Spas believe that we should make every day feel like a spa day. So you better believe this item will make a more relaxing and enjoyable shower every time you use it. It also comes equipped with a wide array of features that ensures it's worth every penny. Boasting an 8-inch rain shower head that's enhanced with soft tips to easily clear mineral buildup, this item surely stands the test of time. Showering will never be as enjoyable as when you have this item with its flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. It has an integrated brass slide bar that can easily be adjusted to the ideal height. The brass soap dish is also conveniently placed on the slider with a diverter to help you with switching functions. It has a 5-function hand shower with a 59-inch double interlocking stainless steel hose that also features backflow protection, keeping you safe from possible contamination which can be brought about by water flowing to the opposite way. The Kawai 3 3-spray hand shower and shower head combo kit is designed to perfectly blend in with any bathroom and will complement all of your decor. It comes in 3 different colors: chrome, oil-rubbed bronze, and brushed nickel. It's CUPC approved and can be easily installed as it uses the standard 1/2-inch NPT brass nipple connector that can be connected with your existing shower arm. It also comes with a manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty. Well, 4 down, 1 to go. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do so by clicking the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. And now, our final item. Taking 5th place is Moen's Attract Magnetix Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Rain Shower Combo. Hailing from Moen's Attract collection, this item is surely the pièce de résistance in your bathroom. Featuring a gracious yet uncomplicated style, it'll surely look great in any bathroom and give it a touch of sophistication. Its brushed nickel finish features the exclusive Spot Resist technology to ensure no fingerprints or water spots are left behind. This shower head is enhanced to provide full coverage with its 6 3/4 spray face, making sure you're fully covered from shoulder to shoulder. The hand shower is equipped with 6 shower settings to further help you customize spray performance as well as the way you shower. It has a 3.75 spray face that allows you to reach anywhere, as it features a kink-free metal hose that can be extended to your liking. Further enhanced with the Magnetix technology, it has a magnetic docking system which ensures the hand shower is always facing forward, therefore avoiding any accidental splashes around the bathroom. The hand shower is easy to use. Just snap it to use and release to return. It features a pause trickle button for when you need to take a break, and it can be used simultaneously or separately with the rain shower head. It's also worth noting that the Attract's Magnetix Spot Resist Brush Nickel Rain Shower Combo meets the EPA's water sense criteria to ensure that water is conserved without sacrificing the unit's performance. It's also ADA compliant, which makes it safe to be used with people with disabilities and can be quickly installed and easily as it uses the standard 1/2-inch connection size. Moen also offers a limited lifetime warranty for the shower head. Showers are an integral part of our daily lives, something that helps us keep with our hygiene and also can be very relaxing. You can make your showering experience even more memorable when you have a rain-falling shower head. We hope our review helped you pick out the perfect rain shower head for your bathroom. If you saw something you like, check out the links in the description below to catch it at its best price. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth and up-to-date reviews. You can click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new reviews. And please feel free to send in your requests and suggestions. We always look forward to seeing them. That concludes our list of the 5 best rain shower heads, and thanks for watching the ReviewTube channel.